guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my last video of AG 1003 course series. So guys, in this video we are going to learn how we configure and protect our storage account with Azure Key Vault, and how we configure uh, custom managed key, in Key Vault, and the last section will be how we configure time-based restrictions policies. So hope you have already covered my previous videos, and you are using them in your day-to-day life. Now going back to my portal.azure.com, as you can see that we have our storage account already, which we have created in our previous lab. Now first thing we need to create managed account, managed identity. So search for managed identity. So you can see managed identity here. So click on create, select your resource group and specify a name. Okay, so I say manage ID. Now click on view and create and say create. Go to the resources. So you can see that it has been created successfully. Now I am going back to my storage account, and here you can see we have access control. Click on this access control, and you can see add role assignment and co-administrator. So we are going with the role assignment. Now here we have to search for our storage account. So our role, so I say data you can see storage blob data reader. This is the role that we are going to use. Select this one, say next. So as you can say that storage blob data reader role has been selected, and user group and service principal. So you're assigned access to. So select manage identity, select the member, So here you select user assigned, and this is the account that we had created in my previous step. So select the account and say, and now you can click on the review and assign. Now it has been done successfully. Now we are going to configure our keyboard. So this is, as you can see, let's go to the resource group. We are under resource group. So the resource group that we have is this one, and here you see this, we have the access control. Now here you can see add. So we have role assignment, we have the co-administrator, or if you have some custom roles you can add. We are going with the default one, which is add role assignment. And search for the keyboard administrator. So as you can see, the first one, select next, and here you see this, we have assign access to user group and service principal. So make sure that you have selected this one. Select member, and you need to select your account. So now I have selected the account. Click on review and assign. Once again, now once we have added and given access control right, or the assign the role, keyboard role, to this resource group, now we need to create and generate our keyboard. So search here keyboard, and we don't have any keyboard right now. So click on the keyboard, select your resource group, specify a name, and your name must be unique one. So I say so as it says, this name is already been used by someone else, so we need to have a globally unique keyboard. Select your region, now here you see this, we have the access configurations. And look at this, as your role based access control recommended. This is the default selected. You just need to verify whether this configurations is selected or not. No need to make any changes here. Click on review and create. Click on create. Go to the resources. Here you can see the soft delete option. Click on enable. And you can see here we have the and click on select. Sorry, save. So we have saved the changes that we made. So you can see soft delete and purge protection both are enabled. Okay. Now once it is done, here you see this under the object we have key. Click on key and you see this we have generate or import. So click on generate and import. So you can select these options. So I am going with the generate option and we need to specify a name here. Now once it is done, select your key length and everything. Say create. Now switching back to my resource group and here access control, add role assignment, search for keyboard crypto service encryption user. So select this one and make sure that you have selected user and select the user. Oh, let's go with this one because we have created our manage account already. Yeah. Now and done. And here you see this. Let's go back to our storage account. And here under security and networking, you see encryption, and customer managed key. Select this one, and under the key selection, encryption key, select from key vault. So select from key vault. Okay, select, and once it is done, you can see there is two options: system assigned or user assigned. Click on the user assigned and select the identity. So this is our managed, and now we are going to see how we configure the time-based retention policy. So as you can see that we are already in inside our storage account. So under the data storage, you can see that where it is. Oh, sorry, my bad. Data storage. Okay, this is the files here. Let me create one account first. Just give me 1 minute. So I'm just then I will apply that settings again on this newly created storage account. So go to the resource and encryption, customer managed, select from key vault, select the key vault you have created before, user assigned, your managed account that you have created before earlier, and save it. Once it is done, go to the container, create a container, name it as per your requirement. So I say hold. Oh. And just I created this one. I am going to upload a file here. So I have just uploaded the few files here, and now you can see here we have access policy. Click add policy. So there is shared access policy, and we have immutable blob storage. So click on the add policy under immutable blob storage, and here you have two options: legal hold and time based retentions. So select the time based retention and specify a name for this retention policy. So sorry, period. So how long you want? So 5 days. For 5 days we want to keep this one. Sorry. Now time based, and specify the time duration. So we want to keep it for 5 days, and here you see this where you want to append this. Select the options if you want, or just click on the save. So time based retentions has been applied. Refresh this. Now go to the overview. Click and say delete. Okay. What happened? Did you see that we have applied that time based? So for the next 5 days you cannot delete this content. Now let's see. So let's go to the our storage account back to our storage account. The storage account that I have created, it's see here, and under the security and network we have the encryption. Encryption scope, you have add option here. Need to specify a scope name. So now encryption type, you select your so you can see that by default Microsoft managed key is selected, and infrastructure was disabled. So click on the enable and then say create. Now you see this, our key has been, encryption scope has been defined. Now switching back to my, just close this and refresh. Now click on the storage account, go to the container, and let's try to create a new container. So I say so public access. Now just wait, let's first let us enable anonymous access. As you can see, anonymous access is disabled. So let me enable this one first. Save. Once it is done, refresh. Going back to container, new container, and here we say public access, enable advanced. Now encryption and back. So this is how we apply, create our encryption key, key vault, everything. Thank you guys. Hope this video will help you enhance your knowledge level, and also this knowledge will help you to perform these things in your day-to-day cloud environment when it comes to managing your storage account. And if you have not subscribed my channel yet, requesting you all to subscribe and stay tuned and stay updated. So very soon guys, I am going to upload a new course video series. Thank you. Till then, bye bye. Have a nice day.